What's up, good people? How you doing? It's Larry Jones back here with you. Let's discuss what's happening with a stock that I said I wasn't going to cover again, but I have to because I know a lot of people are panicking. Just want to let you know what's going on with SOS. All right, let's go. Welcome to the show. All right, first, I just want to give a shout out to Stock Mo. I heard that his daughter is sick with COVID and he's now not feeling well. I watched a video last night and a friend of mine let me know, hey, did you check up on Mo? And I looked and so Mo, if you're hearing this, brother, and Mo is one of my YouTube brothers out there, man. I'm praying for you. I literally called your name out in prayer, not just, oh, I'm praying for you, but I called your name out in prayer, you and your daughter and your entire family last night. All right. So let's show Stock Mo some love out there. All right. Hey, let's get into SOS. A lot of you see that SOS is tanking. That never fails. A lot of you see that SOS is tanking. I'm going to keep going, good people. A lot of you see that SOS is tanking, and we want to find out why it's tanking. Okay, let's go here to the computer and see why. Right here, SOS announces price of 125 million registered direct offering. Okay, I'm going to explain what a direct offering is for those of you that don't know. All right, let's read here. SOS Limited, an emerging blockchain-based company, a big data-driven market solution provider, announces that it has entered into a securities purchase agreement with certain accredited investors to purchase 125 million worth of its American Deposit Shares, ADS, American Deposit Shares, and warrants in a registered direct offering. Right here. The warrants will be executable immediately upon the date of issue and have an exercise price of $5. So let's go and see where it is right now. As of right now, SOS is 485. It's around 11:30 here in the Chicagoland area. Okay. For those of you that don't know, a direct offering is when there's a certain amount of as you could see here in the report, they're buying some of the shares. What happens when you have a direct offering? What happens is the existing shares that's out there, the shares that you and I own, are now worth less. You see that the warrants, they are they'll be executing those at $5. All right. So you'll notice that the price of SOS is falling because it dilutes the existing shares. There's a dilution of shares. Now, before you go into panic mode, you want to find out why. Generally, when companies do this, they're trying to raise money, all right? And that money could be for advertisement. It could be for R&D. It could be for production, or they see, in most cases, they see where if they do this share offering, that they can raise money to make the company more sovereign, right? Which will make you money in a short, long term. And so most of these companies, what happens is the share of the price drops. And then when they show that they're stronger, it actually comes back higher than where it was before it dropped. We know that SOS has been a very controversial company. It's a Chinese company. And a lot of people saying that it didn't exist. It was a fraud. There was a short report put out on it by a company that does short reports, right? So this company makes money off of shorting other companies. So what they would do is do a short report, causing you guys to run in fear and sell your shares at a loss. And that's how they make money, right? So SOS was hit with a short report, caused it to drop. Which I doubled down on, and then it came back up to $8. So now when it came back up to $8, it was more than my purchase price because I had diamond hands. I held on, right? So for those of you that's thinking about buying this stock, I'm not telling you to buy this stock. For those of you that have this stock, I wanted to bring this to you so you'll know what's going on. It requires patience, good people. I'm going to continue to be patient with the shares that I have. And I'm not going to panic sell right now, especially since they're going through a share offering. And I know money is not unlimited. I'm going to buy a few more shares. I'm not telling you what to do. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You must do your own research and consult with your financial advisor, to which I am not. But I just wanted you guys to be aware of what's happening with SOS. They're doing another share offering. As you can see, the buyback that they're doing. And what happens is, when that happens, why would a company want to buy their own shares? Think about it. So I wanted you guys to be aware of what's going on with these share offerings. NNDM, I remember 90 Dimensions did like one a week. And every time they did it, I bought it. And every time I bought it, it went higher than the price was. And so, but I'm not saying that's what's going to happen with SOS. Actually, quite frankly, if you're looking to get into blockchain technology and you're looking to get into Bitcoin mining companies, I will tell you Mara, M-A-R-A, and Riot, R-I-O-T, are safer bets than this. They're just safer. If you are weak and you don't like roller coaster rides, don't get on this ride called SOS Limited, because it's a roller coaster ride. But we want to be wise in what we do. So I can't tell you, I'm not telling you to purchase this. For those of you that have it, I'm just showing you what's going on with it. Okay, good people? And all thy getting, get an understanding. All right. And so that's what we're doing. The market, hey, is showing a little green today. I'm a little green today, up 3%. I'll take 3%, and for those of you that's been holding on, you're going to see days where you're up 5%, and you're up 5% of your total portfolio. For a lot of people, that's a lot of money. And just like you saw big dips, you're going to probably start seeing gains the same way. And if you're in a financially sound company, and it's just a financially sound company when you invested in it, then I would continue to hold, good people. I know you keep saying win. Just continue to hold. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do a video on bad things that new investors do. And I think that would help a lot of people. All right. So if you're new to this game, this is not an overnight success type of deal. You should be investing. And right now, SOS is not a stock that I would be investing in. It's a trade. And I got in it to trade it before all of this stuff hit. This is not an investment stock. So look for high growth investment stocks right now, while we're still in this craziness, in this market, that even the technicals can't give you a clear view of what's going on. So I'm going to keep it right there, good people. I just wanted you to know what's going on with SOS. All right. I have no other. Don't ask me about where should I buy, where should I sell. I can't tell you that. I just wanted to show you what's going on with SOS so you can be aware and we can all be well informed. Like always, good people, I provided a link below. There will be a short commercial after this, after I sign off, about Webull. Webull is a trading platform that every day I use it. I'm actually growing really fond of it. I like to watch the pre-market and the post-market. You could trade hours before and after the market, and I really like that. Okay, there's a link below. Click the link, deposit $100, and you'll get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. And I am an influencer. Okay. And so I do get a free stock. Thank you guys. And thank you guys for supporting the page. If you haven't done it already, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and a notification bell. It helps to keep me alive. All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Hello, my name is Larry Jones from Stock Up with Larry Jones, and I want to talk about this wonderful app called Webull. I am a big fan of Webull. Number one, the fact that I could trade hours before the market opens and hours after it closes, that I can have a phone-friendly app and the necessary tools that set me up for success. As a matter of fact, the longer I use Webull, the more savvier investor I become. And I also love the fact that if you're new, you can deposit $100, get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. Hey, this is an app that I could get behind. This is a company that I can get behind. As an influencer for the last couple of months, I can tell you the customer service has been impeccable. I can call a number. I can talk to a real live person that actually knows what they're doing. Okay, for those of you that haven't done it already, click the link below, download the app, deposit $100, and be on your way to more savvier investments. All right. Hey, happy birthday. Happy 5th birthday, Webull.